think during this time of quarantine, it was all a sudden change for everyone. I think during this time of quarantine, no one knew what was going to happen next. It was a sudden change for everyone. A lot of people didn't believe it at first. It was all a sudden change for everyone. I even told myself, what am I going to do? I had no idea. I took every day, day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. And once myself and everyone else knew that we were on lockdown, I told myself that I have to figure out a plan. Since I am not working, I have to figure out a plan, which I did. It took a little while, but I got it. I got some sticky notes. I wrote down every day what I was going to do, and I told myself, okay, what am I going to do today? What am I going to do later? And what am I going to do tonight? And I did that every single day, and I'm still doing it today. I think during this time of quarantine, no one knew what was going to happen next. Everyone took every day, day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. People thought that this was a one-day thing, two-day thing. Then, suddenly, it turned into a weekly thing, a monthly thing. And now, 3 months later, we're here. No one knew what was going to happen next. I personally had to make a big change. Work was done. Work was out of the books. And I said, okay, what am I going to do? And I told myself that I have to figure out my art schedule. I always had my work schedule figured out, but I never had my art schedule figured out. I went to my sticky notes and I wrote down every single thing that I had to do every single day, which I did. And I've done that every single day. Before quarantine happened, I felt like my arts weren't scheduled out the way that they were supposed to be scheduled out. And finally, I think we all needed this time. During quarantine, it was all a sudden change for everyone. No one knew what was going to happen next. No one knew what was going to happen next. I took every day, hour by hour. I took every day, hour by hour. No one knew what was going to happen next. I took every day, hour by hour, minute by minute. I think during this time of quarantine, it was all a sudden change for everyone. No one knew what was going to happen next. I took every day, day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. I felt like for a while before quarantine happened, my art schedule wasn't structured the way I wanted it to be. Then quarantine happened.